Alam mo si Lord, He speaks to us three ways. First, of course, sa word niya. So, we need to read His word. We need to know Him. Kasi pag di mo kilala si Lord, paano malalaman yung purpose niya sa buhay mo, right? Second way is through authorities. So, pwede kasi minsan na pag binasa mo yung word ni God, hindi clear doon. Ano ba talaga yung pinapagawa niya sa akin? Of course, may mga talagang crystal clear. Pero paano kung kunyari, magiging engineer ka ba? Magiging doctor ka ba? Hindi mo naman makikita yan dito eh. So, you need the authorities. You need your parents. You need leaders in your life to help you, to guide you. And pangatlo, circumstances. When I say circumstances, for example, may gusto kang girl. Ayunin ba? Purpose ba ni God na pakasalan mo tong girl na to? Christian naman siya. Mahal niya si Lord. Tapos, okay naman sa parents. Hindi kanya gusto. So, situation yun. Baka hindi talaga yun yung will ni Lord. So, kailangan mo makita sa buhay mo. First, of course, yung word ni God. Kailangan mo maging connected doon. Kailangan mag-obey ka sa authorities. And thirdly is kailangan makita mo yung circumstances. Ito ba talaga yung, dito ka ba talaga nililid ni Lord? So, dyan mo malalaman yung purpose ni God sa buhay mo.